Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about haute couture high fashion makeup look, which is not inspired but actually copying from Dior. Element of this makeup is having a glittery upper eyeline and dark sharp black eyeline on the lower eye. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create exact this look by using several different products. Let's start. So I'm going to start with a skin makeup product. I already finished my skin prep by using this tinted moisturizer and a buffing brush to buff over my skin. And since this tinted moisturizer is giving me a lot of glow and radiance on my skin, I'm going to use two different types of foundation. One product is a cushion foundation, has more lighter than this color to highlight my features, and the liquid foundation that matches with my skin complexion perfectly. And these two consistency on my skin as an overall makeup product and a highlighting makeup product. It'll give me a really stunning finish. Starting from the cheek and blending inwards. And the element of high fashion makeup is that the skin should look like skin and makeup has to be as light as possible. So that is very different from social media or beauty guru makeup style. I find social media influencer, their makeup element is all about coverage and full coverage, a lot of foundation and concealer, highlighting and contour. But those elements are quite against a high fashion makeup element. So I'm just gonna keep my skin as natural as possible so it should look like skin. And I'm using a smaller brush for the cushion foundation as it has more lighter colors. I'm going to use it on my under eye area. So for highlighting, I'm not going to use anything that is sparkling or shimmering. I'm just going to use a lighter color, and I'm going to use a face powder to set this makeup. Just push into the skin and then buff it. This way will still leave your skin glowing but setting this makeup perfectly. If you just push it into the skin, it looks very mattified, but the moment you buff and polish, the skin starts to glow. It still leaves the luminosity to the skin. And I have this one spot right here. I'm going to use a concealer to conceal it perfectly. And to do so, I'm going to use a pinpoint concealer brush, because it's all about precision. Pinpoint concealer brush to conceal those small spots. And next I'm going to start with this sparkling glitter, and the price was super cheap, so I couldn't hesitate any longer to get this. It's just $2, can you believe it? And I'm going to use a paint brush. This is actually a paint brush from an art shop. I'm just gonna pick this product up over my eyelid, but make sure your eyes are remained open. It goes along your lash line. As you already know, my lash line is actually underneath my eyelid, so I'm going to use them while my eyes are open. I actually like this glitter very much. It's kind of cute. The one I saw from a Dior show was just a silver color, but this is more multicolor. It has silver, green, blue, purple, pink, every colors. So you can really see this glittering line here. Make sure it's one even line of glitter. And I'm just going to apply inside, because anyway, once I open up my eyes, you won't be able to see. Repeat the same process on the other eye. And other eye is more tricky because I have a double lid here. But I'm just going to go while my eyes are open. By the way, if you're using a powder glitter, it's going to be much troublesome. You'll probably want to use a tissue paper under your eyes to protect your skin makeup, or you can do your eye makeup first and then do your skin makeup later. Otherwise, all the glitter will fall underneath your eyes. It's gonna look very messy. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a black eyeliner pencil. So I'm gonna start by applying matte black liner And I won't be going much over in my upper eye, just gonna draw the tail, the wing. And it doesn't have to be so perfect because this is not the final line, it's just gonna be a base line that goes underneath my liquid eyeliner pen. This is the shape I want to create. And also on the inner corner of the eye, make sure it's crisp and sharp enough. And I'm not gonna do my inner corner here because anyway you cannot see. Once you can see on the front, then that means we are good. And next, black pen liner. In this process you gotta be careful because just one mistake could make this whole process so unfriendly to you. Oh, I did it. I didn't know I could do it without making mistake. I did it, yes. Well, one side is done and the other side is another problem, and I totally know that if I mess it up, I need to fix it. And I really hate fixing makeup because this is so annoying. The tip I can give you when it comes to a liquid eyeliner, your hands gotta be really stable. And I do have shaky hands, so thank God. For eyebrows, I'm just gonna use mascara because I realized in the fashion backstage the texture of the eyebrow is really on point. So I'm just gonna use black mascara to kind of make my brows looking more thick and groomed and as well defined. And I'm just gonna fill in my gaps here. By using a pencil. But I'm just gonna go very light hand. And the tail here looks slightly flaky, so I'm just gonna run my brushes. And cheek, I'm gonna use just a bronzing powder. Just gonna lightly bronze my face, the side of my face. Nose contour, I'm gonna skip it because I'm just gonna keep it as real as possible, but maybe on the tip of my nose just to get that slight dimension. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lightings right now, so it might be looking a little bit flat, so this is just my personal preference. Makeup on my eyes and cheeks done, and I'm gonna use a lip product, and I don't know what color is this, but I'm gonna use this color. It's nude, it's pink nude color, just a pale, because I'm not really particular about this kind of product details, because if you watch today on the day I upload, then you'll probably get this product, but a few years later, because I'm not gonna delete this video, you'll probably not be able to find the exact same shade. So just I don't really find much of a need that I need to really put a color detail. As long as you see something similar shade, then just go ahead. And this color looks fine on me, but it might be not looking fine on you. So especially when it comes to lipstick, I don't really tend to really describe the color. I mean, right? If you watch this video 5 years later after I uploaded, then you probably won't be able to find the same shade, because most of makeup brand, they discontinue and launch new color in a certain period of time. The color is pink that matches with your natural lip color beautifully. I seriously cannot recall what color it was. I forgot. Even the brand. From this entire look, I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss. So this is final look. I hope you enjoyed the video.